Everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing today. I just want to show you guys our Airbnb tour. So let's get into the video. Hello, so welcome back to our Airbnb tour. So this is the room, this is the bedroom right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to flip the camera so I can see the whole bedroom. I'll try to put some videos over the top. So the bedroom or the Airbnb is located in Tema Community 26. It's just a few minutes from the Palace supermarket. So Palace is like a department store, it's like Tesco or Sainsbury. They sell a lot of items. Unfortunately, they don't do alcohol, so they only sell fresh produce, almost everything except alcohol. So let me flip the camera so that you can see how the bedroom look like. Oh, that's my friend's car. My friend's coming to give us a lift.
I watch this car. So we currently heading to the airport. This is Prince here, my friend. Yeah, and Jay is sitting at the back. So we should be at the airport in 15 minutes. And I'll show you guys how the airport look like and what you have to do to depart from Kicthen International Airport.
All right. See you guys. See you. Thank you very much.